Download the WEVERSE application and open it. Click Blackpink, then click the Blink membership in the notice board. Then click Buy Blink Membership Global. Click the black card with the Blink logo. Click Buy Now. Key in your email and password. Click Buy Now again. Then key in your phone number with your country code. Key in the 6-digit code sent to your mobile number. Fill out this form. Just make sure everything is spelled properly. I actually had difficulty buying the membership because of this one. My name has a period and it was late when I realized that the system doesn't accept that symbol. Click PayPal. I also made a PayPal account because when I first tried it without a PayPal account, it's not successful. Click Agree to all terms. Then click Pay $23. Click Pay Now. Last but not least, click Pay $23. And that's it, done purchasing the membership. All I have to do now is wait for the pre-sale dates. See you Blackpink and Blinks in October in Seoul! If my visa application will be approved by the embassy, but I'm crossing my fingers for this.